Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back to KK Plays. Today we are going to make a automatic sugarcane farm. So, a lot of you guys might be having trouble with the farms, like how I had trouble with iron farms and every other farms. So, just to be extra careful, I'm playing on Pocket Edition Minecraft 1.17 version 1.17.2. So make a new world, make it peaceful. I'm going to make it flat coordinates. Boom. Guys, BRB. Okay, for this farm you need any stained glass or any glass, chest, pistons, hoppers, sugarcane, redstone dust, observer, stone bricks or any type of block. Wait, what do you have an extra stack? Okay, some dirt and water. So first you have to dig down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And after that, dig like this. Bam. And the water should stop right here. And take the chest, put it over here, break it, put a hopper over there, and next what you're going to want to do is place blocks until the water. And wait, I did it. Wait, just a second. You have to give one block space and then put all these down. So now we have to be like this. Place pistons. And then go to the back and place an observer. This observer's red dot should face our side, as you can see. So this arrow should be there. Everything. Now take out 8 sugarcane. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now fix it up with glass. Like this, 3 blocks up. Like this, this, and even the chest. And now bam. Wait a second. Little malfunction, I guess. 1, 2. And now boom wop, bam boom wop. And yeah, that is the final thing of the sugarcane farm. And if you do this in pocket edition, it is way easier, because in Java edition you cannot bone meal the sugarcane, but in pocket edition you can bone meal them. What? Wait, I forgot the last step. Yeah, we have to place stone bricks behind the pistons and put redstone on top of it. And now break this. Boom. There you go. There is your automatic sugarcane farm. See, sometimes it just falls on the block. So I will make another video about it. But I guess I will see all of you in the next video.